Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This video I'm going to show you how I use CapCut. So CapCut is editing software that I use to edit my video. I'm also providing a one-to-one service how to use CapCut. So basically you need to go to your search bar, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. So let's say if we're using Google Chrome, type capcut.com. CapCut online. So this is CapCut. CapCut, powerful video editing, edit anywhere on PC. So you select on it. So take your video to the next level. So you download it for free, and you can see try CapCut online. So you will see download. So products, the service that we can do with this software. So you edit video editor for desktop, video editor for mobile, online creative suite, then video background remover, video stabilization, slow motion video editor, transcript based editing, text to speech, AI voice generator, AI voice changer, auto captions, text editor, add text to video, video effects and filter, sound effects, video transitions, custom stickers, AI video generator, AI dubbing, long video to short videos, AI video upscaler, AI relight, AI avatar generator, AI sticker generator. So these are the features, these are the things you can do with this software. But so there are, I also have an AI TikTok video generator. So these are the things you can do, with this software. I'm also an affiliate with CapCut, but I use CapCut all the time. So, and you can see here, this is my account here. I'm using a pro service. So basically you need to click download to use it on desktop. Then you sign up. So what I want us to do now is for us to go to, so once you sign up, this is the software here. Once you sign up, this is the interface for the main software in the desktop. The first thing you need to do is you need to upload, import video. So I'm just going to walk you through and also provide this one-to-one service. So the link is in this video through my website. So basically you import video, select import or record. So depending on what you want to do. So if you select import, then you go to gallery or anywhere you have the video that you want to import, or so anywhere you have the video to import, then you select the video. Once you select it, then you select open, and this is the video here. And another thing is, if you want to bring this to edit this video, you need to bring it to the timeline. So you bring it to the, drag and drop it to the timeline. So this is the timeline here, and you go to the right. So you go to the right, adjust it. So if you select this, you can reduce zoom out button, so you can zoom out or zoom in to extend it so that you'll be able to see the video itself properly. And with this video contains music as well. You can see the video. So with this, you can also, if you want to extract the audio, use your mouse, right click on the video, right click it, then it will show you extract audio. So this is the audio. You click delete. So this audio now is deleted. So this video now hasn't got any audio, you can see. So this is an example how to extract the audio. But if you want to put the audio back, then you select this undo. It will go back, you select it again, it will go back to the normal. Now another thing I want to show you also is from here, you can see the screen. Always make sure you change aspect ratio. 16.9 is what I usually use for my YouTube, unless you also have 4.3, 2.36.1, 2.1, 9.6, 9.16 is short or TikTok videos, and but also you can do 16.9 on TikTok as well. So you can also custom ratio according to your preference. If you select it, then it will give you option for you to select it. Okay, in terms of the details, performance, you should put the name, and you want to import the video, stay in original location or import to your project. Aspect ratio, custom resolution 1920 by 1080 pixel, and frame rate 30.00 fp. Then arrange layers, then you save it. From this left side, you will see media, audio, text, stickers, effects, transitions, captions, filters, adjustment. Then you select this button to see every other thing. So you see adjustment, you will see templates, avatar, AI avatar. So, and also this on this side, you see import, media, super subject, yours, AI media, space. So most important thing is if you bring the video here, okay, and want to start editing. So first of all, if you want to cut the video, okay, you put this on the center where you want the video to be cut. Okay, so let's say if you want to cut this, then you select, put this line ruler on it, then select this split. So this video is now splitted. Let's say if you want to cut this one off, instead of splitting it, then use left delete. You can see the left side is deleted, and once it's deleted, it will move straight back in. If you want to delete the right side, let's say if you put this ruler on the center here and want to delete this side, then you select delete, right delete, and you can see that this side of the video is now deleted. If you want to undo it, then you select undo. The whole video will go back to normal. So use this undo, okay, and also this one is reset. Okay, so you can add marker. This button, this is delete. We see the cursor here is delete. So there are so many things, and also you can see AI clip. Now if you want to add a text, okay, you select, once you bring the video, if you want to add a text, then you select text, go to text effect, then it will load. You can see there's trending. We also have caption, text capture. Okay, so you can select any of this text, like this one, bring it to the timeline. Okay, you can see it. Then if you want to type your text, then you go to the right. If you want to type the text on it, then you go to the paragraph, the one paragraph, then you type. Let's say we type welcome. Okay, so we have welcome. So you can move this around. You can use the mouse to drag it, to position it wherever you want on the video. So you can reduce it. You can also increase its scale. You can also scale. This is another place to select, but you can click on the right side of edges of the text to adjust it accordingly. But you can also go to the scale to increase it as you prefer. You can also change the color. If you select welcome, then you scroll down and select particular color. So now the color change to green. You can also select blue color, black. So you can select any of these within the video. So this is just example. I do this all the time. So I'm happy to provide one-to-one service, how to use CapCut. So this is test. If you want to put transition, okay, then you click on the video, split it. Okay, then if you want to bring transition, then you go to transition, depending on what particular one you want to use. Let's say you can bring this transition. Okay, so Okay, so this is just a transition. So there are several ways, and some of them are under Pro. So some of them are not free, but some also are free. So you just need to depend on the subscription you have. I'm using Pro at the moment, so I have a lot of transition here. So you also have from there you have trend, heat, you have trending, new, hits, overlay, it's light, movement. I want to show you movement or slide. So we have done movement. So if you want to put a slide, split the video. Okay, now you can see. So this is another. You can see. So you move. So you position it. This one is cube face. So these are ways. The service I'm providing, one-to-one service for CapCut. I will take time and go through the whole process, but the time we have here is limited. But these are transition. You also have effects, sticker, filter. If you want to put a filter to the video to make it look much nicer, then this matte light normally use this filter. So you put it on top of the video, on the top, before you export. Okay, if you want to bring another transition, so these are all transitions. So you just need for you to select the particular one you prefer. Okay. So if you put this transition here, okay, so you can see. So this is the transition here. So guys, I thought to show you that I provide one-to-one service. This is just basic how to use CapCut. You know, this is the audio file, text, stickers, effects. Also, you have effects, so you can select any particular effect you want as well. These are text, transitions, captions, filters, and adjustments. So guys, thank you very much. This is just basic overview, brief overview of CapCut. I provide this service one-to-one. So the link is in the description. Thank you very much indeed.